Hi guys, in Kotlin, here I got some error, cannot find implementation for AppDatabase underscore IMPL, and it shows it is does not exist. AppDatabase underscore IMPL does not exist. So the solution will be, I will include some code in video description. So it can be this KAPT androidx.room. That thing should be added in your project. Go to project and you will see this build.gradle, the place that you are going to add dependencies. Okay, so you have to paste that code here, not this one, KAPT androidx.room :room hyphen compiler, and then above these dependencies or below you have to paste apply plugin : inside single quotes kotlin hyphen kapt. Okay, by that way you can fix that issue, because that error is coming after running that application on the device. Now it works. Okay, alright, I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.